reporting that local domestic violence calls have increased over the past couple of weeks. Advocates say it's due to the stay-at-home orders. News Channel 2's Brent Carney reports on what the new numbers mean for advocates.
As of March 30th, this week, we have a major increase in hotline calls.
The Mohawk Valley YWCA reporting an alarming number. Just this week already, they've received 32 new calls to their domestic violence hotline. YWCA CEO Diane Stancato spoke to me over the phone and said this increase is more than likely related to the current health crisis.
There's job insecurity, some people have food insecurity. Your children are home, you love them, but it creates another level of stress at times, volume level, trying to get them the education that they need, right? That homeschooling piece that maybe you're not used to. So all these things can really impact even the most healthy, stable families.
And Sheriff Machel says that deputies have been responding to more calls during the day, which he says is a different trend.
Typically, your domestic violence calls occur usually in the evening hours and on the weekends. The little bit of change that we're seeing is we're getting a few more daytime domestics, which obviously would signal to us that it's because more people are home because they're not working.
But even though law enforcement may get busy, Sheriff Machel has a strong message to victims of domestic violence.
We still are responding to 911 calls just like we always did. So we want to stress to people who may be the victims of domestic violence. I mean, we don't ever want anyone to think that law enforcement's not going to come if they dial 911. If there's a problem and you need the police, you dial 911 and law enforcement will be there.
And if you're interested in seeking the YWCA's help, these are the numbers to their hotlines by county. In Utica, Brent Carney, News Channel 2.